For this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Tampa Bay History Center, located in Tampa, Florida. So before I get started, I just wanted to thank the curator and staff at the Tampa Bay History Center for letting me film at their facility. One of the things that I promised to do was to limit this video to 5 minutes or less, and I'm definitely going to abide by their guidelines. So the Tampa Bay History Center is a Smithsonian affiliate and has also been accredited with the American Alliance of Museums since 2015. It's a very nice facility, and they actually have a very extensive library of books. The museum opened back in 2009 and is currently housed in a 60,000 square foot building with 25,000 square feet of it dedicated to the exhibit space. They do have a wide variety of different exhibits, and I found them all very fascinating. There was a cool section on like pirates and conquistadors, and they had like a replica of a pirate ship. There was a section dedicated to the Native Americans that once lived in the Tampa Bay area. They also had various sports, memorabilia, and they had a reproduction of a 1920 cigar store, all kinds of interesting things. And one of the hidden gems of this particular museum is it's just in a very beautiful part of Tampa. I mean, it's right here on Water Street, and there's this amazing observation deck with like those telescopes that you can look through that you can see the entire waterfront and everything. It's just a very pretty museum. So the admission price runs about $18.95 for adults, which is a fairly reasonable price. It's also conveniently located right near Interstate 275, so you can get there pretty quick and then cut out of town if you want. The irony is, I went to this museum because the weather forecast was awful that day. AccuWeather had predicted that it was going to rain all day, so I opted to go to this history museum instead of Busch Gardens. You know, if you could see from the footage on the observation deck that it was an absolutely beautiful day with nothing but sunshine, so I might have goofed a little that day, but you know, like I said, I already set it up with the curators, so it was fine. I enjoyed myself, and it was a great experience overall. Another convenient aspect of this particular museum is it's right on the trolley line, so you can take the old school Tampa Bay streetcars and get off like right here at Water Street. I think there's a station right on the corner. That is a great option if you don't feel like driving the whole way. Parking is a little challenging being right here on the waterfront, but there is a nearby parking garage, and that's where I parked. So what's my bottom line for the Tampa History Center? I'm going to recommend this particular attraction. I think it's a great history museum. They have 90,000 different artifacts. I think it's a great option if you have inclement weather in Tampa Bay for the day, whether it's too hot or just rainy. This is a great place to unwind and take in all the history exhibits. Well, that pretty much wraps up all my thoughts on the Tampa History Center. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to play some music as I finish the video tour. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Tampa History Center. If you enjoyed this vlog of the Adventure Schmuck, don't forget to like and subscribe.